Good morning, students. Welcome back. In the last two lectures, we were trying to understand the lesson Dick Whittington and his cat. I hope you remember what was taught to you, what was explained in the last two lectures. Okay. Dick Whittington, a poor boy whose parents were not there. He lost his parents. They were dead. Okay. And he was troubled by the villagers and all. Nobody were kind to him. They treated him very unkindly and all. So he just leave his place and walked to London to seek his fate, what is going to be in the future. He had heard about the London, that he can earn lots of money over the London and all. So he goes there. There also he find many difficulties. He had to stay in between the alley and all, in narrow passage between the buildings. Okay, there he was staying. He was spotted out by the Mr. Fitzwarren's cook, and he tried to drive him out, but Mr. Fitzwarren helped him, told him if you want to have food, then you have to work. Okay, then he was working under Mr. Fitzwarren's cook's kitchen, working over there, cook's kitchen, and he helped the cook. But the cook was very cruel, she was also very unkindly. The behavior was worst towards him and all. So he just tried to get away from there also. Now let's proceed with this. I think we have stopped here. Let's start from here. Okay. Mr. Fitzwarren kindly, this one, his ship was going for it was going for the African coast for trading purposes. That time Mr. Fitzwarren told that if anybody wants to sell anything, their products, they can keep it in that ship and or load in the ship, and it will be taken for the trading purpose. Mr. Fitzwarren told Dick also, if he has anything, he can load it in the ship, but he had nothing except his cat. Very hard-heartedly, he just put his cat in the ship and left the cat over there. Now we will proceed from here. So Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. The captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser, and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on his voyage. In his ship also there were many mice and all, and this cat killed all the mice and rats. So the ship was now free from the mouse and all, with all that nuisance, and the captain of the ship was delighted with that. After some months, the ship arrived at a place on the African coast. Okay, as it said earlier that the ship was traveling to African coast. So after some months, the ship arrived at the place on the African coast, Barbary, where the people called the Moors lived. Okay, the peoples there were called as Moors. The captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale, and he was invited to the palace to show. The captain of the ship, okay, what he sent a message to the king, वहाँ के राजा को उन्होंने मैसेज भेजा that he had fine goods and all, बहुत सारे अच्छे goods for sales and all, and he was invited to the palace to show them. While he was talking to the king and the queen, some dishes of foods were brought in, but almost immediately rats and mice ran up and before the captain's eye at all the food. While he was talking to the king and queen, what happened? Some dishes of the food was kept in front of them. As soon as the food was kept in front of them, the rats and mice started coming over there and finished all the foods which was kept in front of them. The captain was astonished and asked if this was what normal happened. It was naturally very embarrassing and very annoying and all. So what happened? He said, is that what happens always? Alice, yes, came the reply. Means it used to happen always only. There were so many mice and rats. Whatever the food item was kept in front of that vanished in seconds. Alas, yes, came the reply. The country is suffering from the plague of rats and mice, and we cannot get rid of them. So, reply, what was the reply? Yes, it is the same. There are lots of mice and rats over there. The country is suffering from the plague. What do you mean by plague? That is, the plague means when the rats or mice bites you. You suffer from a disease called प्लेग. एक बीमारी होती है प्लेग करके, जो रैट के काटने से होती है. तो वहाँ के लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम थी, बिकॉज इतने सारे रैट्स वगैरह होंगे तो नेचुरली वो लोग बाइट करेंगे. एंड वी कैनॉट गेट रीड ऑफ दम. आई थिंक आई मे हैव द आंसर ऑन माई शिप, सेड द कैप्टन. एंड ही सेंट ए मैसेज आस्किंग फॉर डिक्स कैट टू बी ब्रॉट टू द पैलेस. व्हाट डिड द शिप्स कैप्टन से? ही सेड, आई हैव आंसर फॉर दिस. जो भी प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम यू आर फेसिंग राइट नाउ ड्यू टू द रैट्स एंड ऑल, आई थिंक आई हैव अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट. ओके, ही सेज दैट. एंड व्हाट ही सेंड्स अ मैसेज टू गेट द डिक्स कैट to the palace, to bring to the palace. More food was laid out and the rats and the mice appeared as before. The cat immediately pounced, killing at least 8 dozen before they scattered. What they did the same thing. Lots of foods were kept in front of there, and as soon as the foods were kept, the rats and the mice appeared over there. As soon as the rats and mice appeared, this cat immediately pounced upon them. He attacked over the rats and mice, killing dozens of rats and mice. Everyone was delighted, and the queen asked, "What do you call this animal?" Everyone was very much happy and delighted. बहुत खुश हो गए कि इतने सारे चूहे मारे गए. And the queen so asked him, "What is this animal called?" This cat they might have not seen anywhere. उन्होंने शायद कभी कैट को देखा ही नहीं था, तो they didn't know the name of that animal. So she asked, "What is the name of this animal? What the animal is called?" Puss is the name she answers to, said the captain. And when the queen called Puss, the cat went over to her and purred. The queen was a little alarmed at first, as she had seen how fiercely the cat had. So the name they didn't know the name. They just called Fuss. Okay. The queen called it Fuss. The cat went over her and purred. Okay, just she went over her and all. And the queen was a little alarmed, means मतलब वो थोड़ा घबरा गई. Getting alarmed, जो एनिमल्स वगैरह आपके ऊपर एकदम ये करते तो वी जस्ट थोड़ा ये हो जाते हम लोग. The queen was also little alarmed at first, and she had seen how fiercely the cat had attacked the rats and the mice. But the captain told her not to be anxious. Okay, तो लेकिन कैप्टन ने बोला, don't be so anxious. अब घबराओ मत, everything be all right. Okay. I would get. First is very friendly with people, he said, and would soon rid your kingdom of rats and mice. What he said is, the first is very friendly with the people, and he would soon rid your kingdom of rats. मतलब आपको रैट से छुटकारा मिल जाएगा, आपका किंगडम को चूहे से वगैरह छुटकारा मिल जाएगा. I would give great wealth to own this animal, said the queen. तो व्हाट द क्वीन सेड, आई विल गिव ग्रेट वेल्थ, मतलब बहुत सारे पैसे मैं दूंगी इस एनिमल के बदले. आप ये एनिमल मुझे दे दो, मैं आपको बहुत सारे पैसे दूंगी. सो द कैप्टन बिगेन बार्गेनिंग, एंड इट वॉज एग्रीड दैट द किंग वुड बाय द ओल्ड कार्गो फ्रॉम मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन्स शिप to pay the fine price for it, and for the cat alone the king paid 10 times the sum again. So there was a bargaining. What do you mean by bargaining? Bargaining मतलब मोल भाव करते हैं ना, कहीं पे दुकान में अगर जाते तो आप लोग मोल भाव करते हैं कुछ चीज़ें लेने के टाइम को, तो वो मोल भाव चल रही थी. एंड एग्रीड द किंग वुड बाय द ओल्ड कार्गो, एंड द किंग व्हाट डिड ही एट लास्ट एग्रीड दैट ही विल बाय ऑल द ओल्ड कार्गो, मतलब जो भी शिप के अंदर जो भी सामान वगैरह रखे थे, he will be buying all that things for a good price, and as well as the cat along the king will pay 10 times, और cat को उसके 10 times ज़्यादा वो पे करेंगे. When the ship came back to the port of London, the ship showed The captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and jewels he had got from the Barbary and told him the story. When the ship returned back to the port of London, जहाँ से लंदन से ये शिप निकला था अफ्रीकन कोस्ट के लिए. When it returned back to the London, the captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and the jewels what he got from the king, and he told all complete story about what exactly happened over there. Of the cat, the merchant sent for Dick. The merchant, Mr. Fitzwarren, called Dick. From now on, Dick, he said, we would all call you Mr. Whittington. तो उन्होंने क्या कहा, द मर्चेंट व्हाट डिड से, फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल ऑल कॉल यू मिस्टर विटिंगटन, फॉर यू आर अ रिच मैन, बिकॉज ही इज ए रिच मैन. ही सोल्ड हिज कैट फॉर लॉट्स ऑफ मनी and now he is rich. Mr. Fitzwarren then paid him all the money the captain had received for the cat. What did the Mr. Fitzwarren did? He gave all the money what the captain has brought. Okay, जो भी money उसको रिसीव कैप्टन को मिला बिल्ली के बदले, वो सारे पैसे उन्होंने क्या किया, मिस्टर डिक को दे दिया, लौटा दिया. बोलते तुम्हारे बिल्ली के बदले तुम्हें इतने सारे अमाउंट मिले हैं. From this time on, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant himself. After this, what happened? Dick he worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant. वो भी एक successful merchant बन गए जिस तरह Mr. Fitzwarren थे. He married Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter. Okay, he married to Fitzwarren's daughter Alice, and 3 times he was elected as a Lord Mayor of London. और 3 बार उन्हें वो इलेक्शन में लॉर्ड मेयर के, लंदन में लॉर्ड मेयर के इसमें पद में ये हो गए, इलेक्ट हुए थ्राइस. ओके, ही वॉज ऑल्सो इन टाइम नीटेड बाय द किंग एंड बिकेम सर रिचर्ड विटिंगटन. ही वॉज नॉट ओनली द फेमस बट ही वॉज पॉपुलर टू. ओके, नीटेड मीन्स गिविंग ए हाईली हॉनर्ड टाइटल. ये एक सी ओवर ये द नीटेड का मीनिंग दिया है, given a highly honored title. He was also in time knighted by the king and became Sir Richard. उनको टाइटल दिया गया है Sir Richard Whittington. Okay, he was not only famous but he was a popular too. ना वो जो गरीब लड़का था जो हर एक लोगों से दुत्कारा जाता था, परेशान था, आज वो एक मेयर बन चुका है लंदन का. एज वेल एज ही इज़ ऑनर्ड बाय हाईली ऑनर्ड टाइटल. उसको एक टाइटल भी मिल गया, दैट इज़ सर रिचर्ड विटिंगटन. नाउ ही इज़ रिच. ही वॉज नॉट ओनली फेमस बट ही वॉज ए पॉपुलर टू. एक फेमस भी नहीं, पॉपुलर भी बन गए, सारे लोग उनको पहचानने लगे. फॉर ही वॉज ऑलवेज हेल्प द पुअर विथ हिज मनी. वाई? बिकॉज ही हेल्प द पुअर ऑल्सो विथ द मनी. Sometimes when he was old, he would tell his grandchildren the story of his cat and how the bells of London had called him back when he was only a poor boy. जब वो ओल्ड हो गए, वो अपने ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को, मतलब पोता पोतियों को सारी कहानियाँ बताते थे, किस तरह उनकी एक बिल्ली थी जिनको उन्होंने बेच के उसमें पैसे कमाए, और कैसे वहाँ पे उनको जब लंदन में बेल बज रहा था तो उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो उनको इशारा कर रहा है कि तुम लंदन छोड़ के मत जाओ, फिर से वापस अपने घर मत जाओ, लंदन में रहो, तुम एक दिन वहाँ के मेयर बनोगे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दैट टर्न टू बी राइट. सही हो गए वो बात. वी बिकम थ्राइस द लॉर्ड मेयर ऑफ लंदन. तो दिस इज हाउ द पुअर बॉय अचीव्ड द थिंग्स एंड ऑल. ही डिडंट गिव अप. ही had his strength, all his strength and all, and come back and tried his best to be a mayor of the London. Okay, यानी अगर आप कोशिश करो, कितनी ही भी परेशानी क्यों ना है, आप कोशिश करो तो जो आप ज़िंदगी में हासिल करना चाहते हैं, जो मुकाम आप हासिल करना चाहते हैं, वो आप ज़रूर हासिल करोगे. आपने आप कभी हार मत माने, तकलीफ़ों से ये पीछा मत छुड़ाइएगा. ओके, try hard, you will get succeeded. Turn again Whittington, though worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. This is what the story was. I have completed this story, and I hope you have understood all these stories. Right from the 3 weeks I have been explaining this part and all discussing. Thank you.